Welcome. Today, we're diving into common audio issues that Discord users face in 2025. Whether it's crackling sounds or complete silence, we'll cover everything you need to know to get your audio back on track. Next, it's important to update your audio drivers. Search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar, then expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Now, let's adjust your Windows sound settings. Right-click the volume icon in your taskbar and select Sounds. From there, ensure your playback device is set as default. If the issues persist, consider using the web version of Discord. Sometimes, the desktop app can have bugs that the web version bypasses. Next, let's check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can significantly impact your audio quality. Run a speed test and consider connecting via Ethernet for better stability. Consider testing with different audio devices. Sometimes, the issue might stem from a faulty microphone or headset. If all else fails, try reinstalling Discord. Uninstall the app, restart your computer, and then download the latest version from the official Discord website. In conclusion, we've covered several solutions for Discord audio issues. If you still need assistance, check the Discord support page or community forums for more help.